Welcome back, beautiful souls. In May 2026, the message from the divine is clear. The season of breaking down is over. Take a deep breath, close your eyes for a second, and visualize Mahadev Celestial clearing away your worries. Pause the video and choose. Card 1. The Magician, the Manifester, General. You have all the tools. Nothing is missing. It's time to take action. Relationship. You have the power to manifest your soulmate. Be clear about what you want. The universe is listening. Career and finance. A big break is coming. Your ability to turn ideas into income is at an all-time high. Card 2. The Eight of Pentacles, the Master Builder, General. You are mastering your craft. The focus is on precision and dedication. Relationship. You are rebuilding trust, brick by brick. Consistent effort brings a stable, long-term bond. Career and finance. Your hard work finally scales. Expect a promotion or a new skill to lead to a significant financial breakthrough. Card 3. The Star, the Divine Wish, General, ultimate hope and healing. A period of darkness is officially ending. Relationship. Healing old wounds. A relationship that felt lost is being restored with divine grace. Career and finance. Financial recovery is here. A wish-come-true opportunity in your career brings peace of mind. Which card chose you? Type card 1, card 2, or card 3 to lock in your blessing. Your ritual tonight: write your May goal on paper and keep it under a Mahadev idol. Hit like if you believe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay blessed. Stay